Hi everyone. Hope you liked the show, because I loved it. I absolutely loved it. But you know the only thing I hate, I love being a pyro, absolutely live and breathe like everyone else who's a pyrotechnician. However, you know what I can't stand is the tidy up. All the tidying up in the world is just absolutely annoying. So yeah, I threw them in there just so I got them out of the way. But today is proper tidy up day. So yeah, you're just gonna end up seeing a couple of the clips of me tidying up. Right folks, I got asked what I used for me finale. So I ended up having a Meteor and an Intergalactic and a Miner's Revenge. So I had these two build up towards my finale, and then my last was my Dumper Cake, which was my Miner's Revenge 1. Wayne in the fireworks shop has 3 different types. Now, if you watched my actual gender reveal baby shower one, the last Dumper Cake I used was the Dark Demolisher. Now, Wayne and Celtic have got 3 different types, as I said. They've got Miner's Revenge 1, Miner's Revenge 2, and Dark Demolisher. And I believe they've got a couple more Dumper Cakes, like I think it's Disco Ball and others, a couple of new ones for this year. But these are the 3 that I used, and I was absolutely over the moon with it, to be honest. These 2 at the bottom I got from JTF, where I got me Master Blaster rockets from, if you remember in me actual stash video. So yeah, I think both of them were 80 quid combined, and then they're 23.99 on their own. So yeah, that's what I used for me finale, guys. Voila, all done, all finished. Tonight is actually bonfire night, so I'll end up doing this all over again tomorrow, but it's worth it. Right guys, little random video, hope you liked it. If you like watching people tidy up dud fireworks or crap fireworks now that they've all gone off. But yeah, hope you liked it. I'll try and get a couple more videos up of tonight's fireworks and stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching guys, see you in the future.